Dear parents and children, our first quarter activity is starting from Monday 11th May and it will last till 18th May. Through online teaching class, we have tried to complete the syllabus of children. Parents, I am very happy to say that you are helping a lot so that our online teaching class is becoming success. Little kids need our help, and it is not possible without your help. These lovely activities are showing your efforts. The aim of our education is to have complete development of children, that is physical, mental, socio-emotional, moral and spiritual. We are trying to instill a positive self-concept in children. Now, I want to tell you something about our first activity schedule. For little kids, LKG to 2 group, there is no need to registration. We will send these worksheets to the WhatsApp groups. On Monday, 11th May, we have written test of maths. And we have written test of Hindi on Tuesday, 12th May. After this, we have written test of English on Wednesday, 13th May. English activity is on 14th May, Thursday. Efforts are being made to increase the vocabulary power of children through this activity. You will be given this type of format. Parents are requested to make the same format in A4 size paper. Here children have to write any word in this column. After this, children will write the meaning of the word in this column. Then in this column, draw a picture of what it means. And you have to write a sentence with this word. And then write the opposite of this word. And if you want, then draw the picture. It is optional. On 15th May, there will be an oral and written test of EBS. For written test, you will be given a worksheet. For oral test, you have to speak the safety measures for coronavirus and make a video clip of it and send it to my WhatsApp number. On 16th May, you have a Hindi activity in which you have to speak a short moral story and make a video clip of it and send it to my WhatsApp number. On 18th May, you have your maths activity in which you have to recite tables from 2 to 5 and send the video clip to my number. Children, you will write the answers in A4 size paper if it is easily available or in your subject copies. All the worksheets will be sent through WhatsApp group at 10 a.m. and by 5 p.m. you will send the answers to my number. So children, all the best.